Hello class, this is Dr. Brown. I just wanted to send you a quick greeting to let you know that assignment 4 in your course 6070 is all about learning how to plan a research project for you or for your children in your classes. You may pick one of the 4. They're all very good models. Like Big 6 is well known and been validated by many research projects published in the literature related to school technology and school research. So any that you choose will be a good one, but you want to use this assignment as an opportunity to evaluate for yourself which model might be the most useful for you or most useful for your students. There are 3 parts. The first part is the discussion forum, where you simply describe in a sentence or 2 each model. That gives me assurance that you've read through the lecture materials and you understand how the models are designed. Then you're going to describe in just a sentence or 2 how you might use it in your own educational setting with your students and their age and educational needs. The second part is the process. You'll conduct an actual research project and you have to make a decision, 2 decisions actually, which model to use, and then the other decision is, are you going to write a research question or frame a research question that would be for you personally, or one that you might provide for your students, or one that a student would himself generate. So you have to make that decision, and if you decide I'm going to do this as if I were a 5th grader, and I'm going to give my 5th grader a research topic, and then they're going to frame a question based on the topic, and then as you describe the step-by-step process, let's just say you use the Big 6 model, then for each step of those, for that model, you're going to describe it from the perspective of a 5th grader. So that might even be a little harder than if you describe it from your own perspective. As part of the process, and you will use the template that's provided on Blackboard, as part of the process, you're going to write a reflective evaluation. And I've added some prompts, I guess you could say, or guidelines in what to include in that evaluation. Now, I've just added that. So if you've already started this or completed it, you should complete it and submit it as you've written it. But if you haven't written it, you may find the prompts that I've added to the Blackboard helpful. The third part of this assignment is your presentation. Just as if you were in a classroom with middle school students and say, okay, you're going to complete your research project and you're going to present a PowerPoint with the results. Well, that's what you're going to do. And look at the little checklist on Blackboard that will remind you what each part of the presentation must include. So you're going to add that to the discussion, another discussion forum, reporting the results of your research. And again, if you're presenting it as if you're a student in your class, then that presentation needs to reflect the simplicity of a child's. If it's one of your own, then you want to write it up and present it as an adult. I think you're going to enjoy this project and find it very useful. Please let me know if you have more questions.